Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. I want you guys to please check out this beautiful short natural haircut that is all about texture and movement. One thing about the style is that it is a style that is attention grabbing, and it's a style that's even more prominent like the season, because these hairstyles are great options because of their practicality and their unique opportunities. One thing about the short natural haircut is that they are a cut that features those having those two sides shorter and leaving a longer hair on the top, like the tapered, sometimes the pixies, because this style celebrates natural hair textures and it combines those protective qualities and cultural significance. So with the shorter length, your locks becomes more breathable, defined, and healthy. So one thing about the styles is that they carry that powerful meaning, like when it comes to black communities, connecting the beauty tradition to cultural identity and self-expression. You can see how that these hairstyles are really trending this year, and even in the year coming 2026, they are also trending. So this hairstyle promotes natural beauty and freedom while still praising those personality and ancestral influence. So with this haircut in mind, I would like you to please watch this video to the end, because we have some beautiful protective hairstyles and defined tappers that are the most in demand look these days, because it offers this bold comeback of the classic shapes, and reveals your hair potential, from that completely new angle. So you can go through this video and you will see some trending haircuts for you to choose for when it comes to choosing your new favorite glam, because the haircuts are constantly expanding, helping beautiful women out there to enhance their curls naturally. And you can see that they are feminine haircut that has a special place when it comes to history of natural hair movement, and it offers those framing effects for that soft look. So let me just let you please discover the rest of the styles we have. If it's the first time here in Winnie Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next upload.